Prolong HD, Sophie True. True.
Yo, Max. Man, been a woolly feet before me get me locks on.
The two boy, no, top from make up. Nice, two, glass. Jay! Jay! You know, setting up example for your younger brother, Jonah.
You know, you don't find you.
Man, every day you come with a foolish man, I want to man.
Oh, every day if you come with foolish and you start it, brother.
What do you mean I start? You come with the foolish first.
I'm like some big sissy.
You that are yourself, yeah, talk about. I know you.
Except me never have a family.
What you that do?
I'm home with that do.
Sure.
See man like all, you know.
Yeah. You love talk.
I'm more love talk. What you can do?
Funny.
Funny.
Because your name Junior, you think say you're bad?
So, a bad man you have?
Bad man, me have a, you have bad man.
I think my brother, not to be sure I'm my brother, you know.
Well, how come you're not sure?
Look for me help on you.
Yeah, me I tell you, come on 5 van. You can lean up on it like how me lean up, but come on 5 van, you don't want the man come out and again at me and go set. Nah, set no example. Come on 5 van, man, I'm telling you.
Another take me off.
Yeah, test my faith, you know. Jesus. Cha-cha. Come on, test my faith. Me say, come on for the van, me say.
Take me off. That you feel do. Take me off.
That must Father, I want this for me. I chew me up. Yo, I chew me up.
What is nice for two blast?
You know, say me I tell how long. Come on,
no. Shut up, man.
Yo, Jonah. You listen when your brother talk to you.
If you this man I can't trouble me enough, nothing at all.
The man lie and wicked, you're afraid. The man lie. Look how long you up there, son. I tell you.
Man, shut up. You smell that, sir?
Pops, I know you have two, I can't see. You know how long me out there, I talk to him and the man no listen to me. I tell him, come on, 5 and you know want to listen.
Blast. Every day, you get up and honor the same thing. You need to live good. You know a brother, you know. You a same papa and same mama. You look for another. Look how you favor. Look, smile, man. Smile. Look how you favor.
But I man is a creative problem. Because I never tell him nothing wrong. No, it's you.
Someone of Jesus, yo.
Yo, me need you to live good. I don't want no more argument. Every day I the same thing. You need to cut it out.
Daddy, hear me say. Talk to him, I have my problem.
Me attack to the two on. Me attack to the two on.
Oh, Daddy, watch out now. Talk to him more.
You know how you
Yeah, watch out.
Two on just the same. You know, black and white. You know a twin?
You know, say a female audience, you know listen? You know listen?
Me know you know blame each other. You know feel live good.
Yeah, check me.
You know feel, boy. To blast. Don't make me have to beat on the backside to blast.
A big man.
Yo, boy. Oh, you feel that, man? Tyrone Junior. Me no want you are a cancer your brother. Hear message?
Yeah, Daddy.
Alright.
Me always do the right thing, you know. Him always give you a problem, you know it, you know.
Me don't talk to blast. Me no want to not fight in a place to blast.
I see all them things. I see you. I see you.
Me.
You go in.
Come on for me band to blast. Me no want no mash you up to blast.
Daddy.
I don't mean him.
Shut your mouth, man.
Me attack to the two hours.
Daddy, look on the condition, man. I'm born this one of the island.
So,
come like you want to mash up him more.
Shut your mouth.
Yeah, this
so,
yo.
When you sit down on it every day, and the more it a go broke down and mash up to blast. go long mama gone left. Like mama like so.
So anything I'm gonna have to go through every day, star.
Boy, I know what you talk about, man. But them thing they are normal pre, man. More while I have to just deal with it up front, you know. And just smooth off it. Watch you now. Talking about smooth. You know, say the piece of land side of me where squatters them depend. It a sell now, you know.
Really?
Yeah, it a sell.
Not that we want, man, or that we are look for a long time.
But that we want, but cash kinda low right now.
But then guess what now?
Yeah.
We have good deal.
Good.
Because the people them want some more heart and things.
Eh.
And we throwing some extras with some labor too as well, you see me?
How we are say?
Yeah, man.
If it's true.
Oh, true. Thing looks sweet right now.
Hold on. Yeah, it come like a Christmas come for me for true. You know?
Right in a year.
Watch here, for true. So hold on. So how much we are look pan for this package?
135, 38.
What? Sweet.
Me tell you, it can be more if we get deliver them.
Cha. So why age group them a look pan?
18 to 25, 28 the most.
At least that, man. Them young youth are nowadays easy if we get take away, man. Some of them love likes. All some a male or female.
It can be both, you know.
Cha.
It can be both, but most female.
Female. So they don't want a male.
Eh?
They don't want a male. Mostly female. Oh, they want male, but mostly female.
Yeah, mostly female, and you don't
For
know
sure.
They don't want work. So I go easy 1, 2 for just lower them because they love it chopping.
Ooh, come on, man. Remember say. True.
Man.
Remember say years we I do this, you know. We know the style, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No joke, man. Here we go on, man. I run a one program, man, and see what I go on. You see it? Set up.
I depend on if you come through with that one, not that one at all.
Remember, say, I want the piece of food for the land. If I not, me, I have to go make up and get it right through.
True and true.
Yeah, man, for true, man. I lease that, man.
Alright, soldier.
Alright, for real, mama, man. I say 40, man, for true.
A man, run it free.
Yes, to last, my sister. Wagwan. You may have great news to me.
Sure.
So how are you being listening now? Me not too bad here, good enough.
I got an email from the end.
Eh?
I got an email from the end.
You get what? Email. Sister, talk up in the talk phone. Me nah hear you.
Okay, well, you're going to find me very soon. I think.
Two blast. Me nah hear you. Talk up in the phone, man. Two blast.
Oh my gosh. You're coming to find very, very soon. I'll wait to see you and to the ear doctor.
What you say, sister? May I come up fine?
Very soon, father, very soon.
Two blast. Fine, may I come? How is stated? City of New York or how are you baby?
That's right.
Me I got fine too blast. Them two boys, them better learn to live good too blast. Cause they not live good enough.
Well, I'm getting you out of the situation.
The boy them, the boy them now live good too blast. Every day they get up and a cuss and a fight. Me no know what to do.
Oh my God. I hope you know what it is.
It come like you have to go send me one B-mail. Cause me not hear a good on the phone, you know. Send me one B-mail voice note. One B-mail. Yeah. Two blast. Eh? No, guess what? No. Nobody send me the D mail. That sound too much like a boy. Send me the double mail, the woman mail. When me reach in, me I go make you chat to the big boy, J. No, sir. Me I make you chat to Jonah, cause I want J go on like he no sense. Every day I be cussing before in BT boy and backside me kill 2 blasts.
Man, can't go party working on Jano Star right now. Man, want go party or not.
Pops!
What's your problem?
Daddy,
I am young, Daddy.
you know answer my question.
Oh,
Where are you?
I mean, I'm here.
You know, you pops room here. Yo, I like how you move like you're a fox in the brother.
Jesus, peace. Yawa.
We are doing that, man.
You know, see, man, I fix up. I want to tell. Me have more right for the other than you, know.
You turn me.
You told me. We're not even going to follow you up today. We're not going to follow you. You love talk.
Me watch.
Yeah, me watch, man. You don't go watch. You love watch, I watch, man.
You.
Me I write more for day, and I have to down you, you know. You love watch. Yeah, watch, man. Yeah, jacket, you know. You never know.
Huh? Where is it, quiet?
You know what I'm saying? I me original. Yeah, jacket. Yeah, you know?
Me a jacket.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Must have daddy never want to own you, know?
Oh, you know that. I'm a barman for you.
Now where's your daddy tell me that shit? How yourself?
Yes, yeah. Right now. Have a good night. Alright, now, yeah, waste of time.
Man, this man I call me jacket and fan computer me. Still I watch you.
Come on, that in the room. Come. Oh, let's see you for that.
No, man. No. Can you look like say you won heavyweight to box
You
here?
forget your place. Go your place. That you for do.
Man, that top pint up now with you. That me I tell you, yeah?
What you gonna do with that?
Yo, pint up now.
Yeah, test my faith, you know, that you do.
That I'm a church then, nigga. Yo!
Church. Yeah.
Come
No, your place.
Come out there, man.
You come on. You know what? Alright, turn.
Come out there, man.
Bye.
If a man look for you, man, see trouble. Mark in your face. That's nothing to you, man. Ouch.
Junior! Daddy! Come here! 2 blast! My problem! Boy, come here and let me talk to you. How are you?
Is that him there?
You. Turn up better. Yo. The main there. Go for it, you know. And me want uno to live good. Me no want the talking and the fighting. Cause every day uno get up with the damn blasted same thing. 2 blast.
But daddy, you know what's my problem? I man is a talking.
Me.
Daddy.
Me.
Where's your going? I got fire.
Yes. And me want uno to take here at the place 2 blast.
Me now cut in on the watcher. They say anyway you go you get a problem with it, isn't it?
So
Care.
it to uno and me problem 2 blast. Uno need to live good. Uno auntie say me they go embassy. Me I got America. And me want to no feel it good. Boy, I kiss this boy.
I say, boy, I go on all the time, you know, listen.
You know no manners, you know, boy. You know no manners. And me feel say, you are the problem.
Yes, daddy, I am my problem.
You, mama, too blast.
I say, boy, I go on.
Is it you? Me. When you box it.
Yo, stop it.
Yes, yeah, boy, I go on.
Oh.
Boy, I go on, man. Glad we are talk to him. Yeah.
So, where you have to say?
What me have to say? Ouch, and get it, friend.
A sister Betsy. Sister Betsy. You know, remember your auntie Betsy? Betsy. The one where barely born a corner there.
Oh, she.
Yeah.
So, what on daddy? Like how she a file for you, she couldn't file for me and left this here.
Yeah, this one.
No, you can't.
Yeah, man. She say she open a way for me, so me can open a way for Uno.
Yeah,
So, guess what? Uno, there and live good.
Yeah, daddy, but make sure you file for me for see all of you.
You can't keep a son garbage.
Guess what? Me, I go send one file and one machine.
Yes, daddy, because boy too lazy boy for walking ground.
Me want the two of you fi come America with me. But me, I go send one file and one machine.
Daddy, you starting things that
boy for walking ground.
To blast. Oh no, cook the food.
Yes.
Daddy, ask your big daughter if you no cook.
Yeah, this one you know.
To
And
blast.
this yellow style. Oh, chop.
I disrespect you.
That him ever do that. I mean, ever in an argument, you know.
No, God, your sister. No, girl, to blast.
Yo, pops, how can I style that? What do you mean, sister?
Sorry, me boy. My mistake, my bad. Me mean to say him no fi call him brother no girl to blast. What you not cook the food?
I am for cook food now. Every day I still I know what to do.
Daddy, me say ask your big daughter if him cook.
Yo, top of nice one.
Why? To blast.
Pops! Pops! Pops, come here, Pops.
Where you think of me, boy?
Acha, me I go shop, you wanna?
Back one. I will so nothing.
That's all.
Yes.
Why, what are cool?
Boy, you no know say me no drink cold sitting. No want it half of the shelf to last.
Alright, so far. Jay!
But me still a browse around and watch now. Me so short about me just one potential client.
Alright.
Yo, bro J. Hold on there. Yes, sir, Mr. Wallace. Yes, what happened is that what I would have to do is I would have to get a couple students I know they don't have to be students, but what they do, the travel program is to get them, educated about the program and stuff like that. So what they will do when they travel to the America, when they reach by the airport, you just go and pick them up. And then this last month was okay, man. It was 150 of them last month, Yes, it was 150 of them. So Mr. Wallace, yes, it was 150 of them. Trust me, man. So we're trying to improve this system so nobody left behind. Yes. Give me a second, yes? Yeah, give me a second. Yeah. No, we don't want nobody left behind. You know, I just came from embassy. All of them get through. You know we do a thing, Mr. Wallace. Come on, man. We're looking out for our youngsters in Jamaica, you know, and they need to start to travel and have experience and see what it is like in America. Everybody needs the chance and the opportunity, and not just seen but able to travel and work. Yes, look how hard it is for Jamaicans. So we need to pave this way for our fellow Jamaicans, our young fellow Jamaicans. Yes. Well, my boss gonna talk to the Prime Minister next week, so probably I just go with him. Last week I talked to the Prime Minister. He was saying that he liked what we're doing and you know he appreciate it. And he said that he will make it go public soon. But he want us to do evaluation on what we're doing and how many students you know get the visa and you know how the opportunity really work for them. So what we need. Yes. Yes, Mr. Wallace, listen. Mr. Wallace, we're going to get some new people on the program because we want them to travel, work and travel. And it's a great opportunity for our Jamaicans. You know it is already. All right, so Mr. Wallace, I'm going to have a short meeting with somebody so I can introduce the program to them and then let you know what's up. Yes, come on, Mr. Wallace, man. You don't have to do that, man. You know how it is already. No, I moved to Trinidad. I live in Trinidad now, you know, Mr. Wallace. You know it go already. Come on, I've been making a lot of money, Mr. Wallace. What you think? But I love my country. Don't worry yourself, Mr. Wallace. I'll talk to you soon, okay? I'll talk to you soon, okay? Yeah, bye-bye. Thank you, sir. All right. Yes. All right. Okay. Yes. Sorry about that.
Yeah. Boy, them thief out the money. One little money, me chats. Boy!
Yes, Daddy.
You see Jonah, funny over there.
You know, sir, the things I'm gonna shop.
So, where you are come from this hours a morning?
Daddy, you know, sir. Daddy, what kind of question that you ask me? You're a big man, you know? 2.
Blast! Boy! Don't push your luck. You are big man. You are big man when you are push your own door. Don't push your luck, boy. To blast.
Daddy, you know, say a tire run should have the treat, you know.
To blast, boy. Don't push your luck, you know. Why? How me I cheat you?
You treat me like me a little bit like me a tire run.
Boy, don't push your luck. Me simple ask you one question. By the way, where me money there?
Daddy, me don't know nothing about no money.
You don't know?
No.
So I wonder if I want tire run take out my money.
Yeah, Pops, I the right thing I said because yeah man, me left him in my room yesterday.
To blast! You want tell me say me left my money on the boy TV? You making go in my room? You are the bigger one if you set example.
Daddy, you know say boy stubborn. You know me I tell him how long to come out of the room and just like how the other when he name want come out 5 and you know listen.
So who ain't take it stubbornness from me, mama?
Boy, Daddy, me no know and you have to go find out the one there because boy, him boy stubborn bad too.
Blah, the boy stubborn, you know. Move out of my way, boy. Too blah. The boy come like say.
Yeah, sorry about that, man. I'm skinny. They call me skinny, you know. Sorry for holding up your time, but this opportunity is very lucrative and it's a good opportunity. I just came off the phone with the secretary right now. They're doing casting for the work and travel program. You don't have to be a student, so it's not just a student program. You understand? So what I'll do, I'll let you go on the website and see what it is like, you know, how you can apply and stuff like that. What I'll do, I'll just guide you through the process. So you have to go on the site to register. You know, I can get everything done for you. You know, all you need passport. You have a passport, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if it's something that spark your interest, you know, I can get you through the process and stuff like that. So what it actually does is same like student travel program. You know the student travel program. Yeah, it's something like that, but you don't have to be a student. So as long as you're at the age of probably 18, 19 and 20, you know, and you look like you just maybe 19, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm correct about that. So what I'll do, I'll just take your number and I'll bring you through the process and stuff like that. You can go on the site and research a little bit more. There's a lot of testimony on the site where student and not just student, like I said, they talk about the experience, you know, going to New York, and I'm pretty much sure you'd like to travel to New York, you know, that big city everybody been talking about. And it's nothing to convince or explain too much because the website is there. And yes, you don't have to worry about going through the process, the registration process, and not understanding it and stuff like that. Because what I'll do, I'll just take your number so I can walk you through the process. You can get a little bit more understanding and know what you're getting into, you know, because there's a lot of fraud programs out there that, you know, tell you that you can travel and this and money. Yeah, you don't. It's no money too. What happens is that when you're over there, there's a program fee. So when you work and travel, during the time, in the middle of the time that you're there working, you'd pay the fee, the travel fee, and we pay for your expense, your travel fee, everything we pay for. You know, so you don't have to worry. And I didn't ask your name. What's your name, sir?
Oh, Tyrone Jonah.
Tyrone Jonah. Alright, Tyrone Jonah. You can go on the site at work travel program. So you get to see pretty much more Mr. Jonah. You know. So yeah, you know what? Let me take your number. So whenever you're interested or you know you think it's the best time, you know, I can help you go through the process.
Hey, one. Raise up my blood pressure. Put 2 blast. How are this?
How are you, Prolong, Daddy?
Two blast. Find me room.
Yes, Daddy, I just said you left it for true.
You remember?
Yeah, man, you left it there.
2 blast. 2 blast. It come like the boy them. All that chink out some of me room.
I must say boy Tyrone, Daddy. Boy, be a trouble him love, you know.
Hey, everything you blame for Tyrone.
Daddy, I true more you don't know and you're not dead if you see, you know.
2 blast.
Boy.
Rum chunk boy.
Daddy, so we can't get some.
No 2 blast. A big man sitting there now.
Daddy, you love style, man.
Boy. Hold a bit.
Daddy. Try now.
Boy, more you tap from kiss your teeth too, you know.
Daddy, cool man,
blast.
man.
Boy.
Time now you have to start treat man like big man, you know.
Me and you know fear jig no rum. 2 blast. Me and you know fear jig no rum, boy. Especially in me house.
Daddy, you're going too much for a while, you know. Alright, still.
I rum me the one ton.
Daddy, but you drink rum every day.
2 blast. So, me drink rum. You want to do the same?
Of course, Daddy, I want to be a good role model.
2 blast. Boy, don't take up it. Only think ya hold the rum at the buckle. You can't manage them. What? Look at help me with the back.
Help I didn't man, you just stand up yourself like you know why.
Come like this no.
You got that. This one come like some big sissy now.
Oh yeah, cause
yo, uno tapping nice too.
see, I said the same thing. I mean, you may bag, you know.
So, I see me who never live. When they gonna foreign.
Pops, listen. Talk to your daughter. I tell you to control
Same thing
yourself.
again.
Too blood. Stop from call your brother daughter. Imagine older one, if you have some respect, too blood. And I leave you in charge of my room, you know. And me want you pay the light bill.
I mean, I hold one, so I mean, should I know?
Make him man talk, no brother.
Yes. Him name Junior. Him are the last one. So, you see, if me say Junior, stay in my room, you know if you have no problem with that to blast. And you make sure you pay light bill, and the cable bill, and the water bill, because me no want it, cause I have to blast.
Daddy. Hold on. I wrong house you live with daddy.
Which one now?
We no pay light bill.
Oh! Me name member.
Not even water nor... Daddy, we not have TV, butchless. So how you gonna pay cable?
Oh! Me name member, no boy. I name member.
From Ghana.
I gone. Meet one of them.
It seems like you start to forget everything already, man.
I man. All but me brain a cold.
So, Daddy. That's a cookie dog way. You never know that's a cookie dog way.
It's an emergency. Emergency. And me get a call. Say, me have one new white girl a wait at the airport for me. So, me no want she wait too long. Too blast.
You what daddy know? I go and set up a little thing for me. With a little cat here, say.
Oh, you want white teeth? I want black teeth.
Well, anyone me get me take, you know. Right?
Alright. Good. You know what me I go do? Me I go send you one bluey. I want pinky.
Blue? Okay, now, man, that.
Man, take it. That's warm, Daddy.
You never see the one name look blue yet.
Yo. Round this one. How you do? You take in a shiny and put back a foot in your shoes.
Sure. Well, little.
Yo, come take up your shoes then, brother. Can't come pops there. You couldn't do a snare, no, brother.
Take them up yourself.
Hold them, man.
Yo, why not carry him come put them down and clean yourself?
Go to your ranking boy, you see, man. Yeah, by the way, play them for wash too, you know.
Yo.
I washed them last night.
Go and wash them yourself.
You know, go wash them, play them, brother.
Man, why you not go wash them up?
Oh, I might be thinking I'm shitty tonight.
So wash them man, you chat too much.
Come now, you look at belly, you know, I'm hungry.
And listen, so wash them, you love talk, so.
Just hurry up and wash your plate them.
Happy night, man, I'm here all down, you know. Think of you?
You know, ask me do. Hello? Oh, baby. Where's the come over tonight, bro? Maybe I had still. There, still, man. I just. I'm my brother there still. So you can follow now. Nah, man, enough worry about him, man. Cause he's soon gone. When I'm on the gap my road, then I'll come back till he come. Alright, me there with you. Jay, I'm not hear no water, no plate, brother. In case me want to cook, I'm hungry. By the way, you want cooking now? Come here, go busy later.
I'm going to see me a girl.
If any that woman want to look you. Yeah, watch out, yeah. Yeah.
Someone of it, true. My girl is time. Watch me. Yeah. I love her. Watch me and you. Alright.
Babe, you brought me over to your house and your brother is here. I haven't introduced me to your brother. Why?
Brother. Oh.
Don't understand. Oh.
No, man. He slipped me. He slipped me.
What slip you? If it was something else, you wouldn't slip your door.
That couldn't slip me, man. No. But that. Because we go back home, I can introduce it to you. I'm brother. I look up to him, man. And I'm my follow.
Okay, he look cute, so.
No, I have more looks than him, but that part they lie still. That part they lie. I have more looks than him, but I'm my brother.
Yeah, cause me see him out there, so not really that I was directly admiring him, you know. But
you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm positive, babe. You know I love you. But you could have introduced me to him still.
Don't worry yourself, man. Tell me I go back out me. Introduce you.
Okay.
But don't get too close to.
What do you mean don't get too close?
Well, may understand. You have little looks, no, me not lie no. Me no love man no, but my brother have little looks, but me have more than him. So
you know, so me know that already. I want you.
Yeah, I just look care and the glass. You can't know that hope.
For yourself, that babe. I'm going to take good care of you, honey. You know that as well, so.
Please.
Boy!
Get popped out tonight.
I'm the pizza.
Yeah.
I read the star squeaky already.
Eh? No fully. No fully.
Stop going with yourself. You're going like you too much. You're full of yourself too much.
Excuse me. Hey.
Who, me?
Come here 1 minute, please.
You sure it's me you're calling?
Yes, I know. Come here. Yeah. Hey, nice to meet you. My name is Dre. What about you? What's your name?
My name is Shorty.
Nice to meet you, Shorty. But Shorty, you look like such a nice lady. But I don't understand. Oh, you are with your brother.
Well, my boyfriend?
Yeah, I'm a brother, but yo, him, I be a girl him carrying every day.
So, why you tell me say brother can't get every day?
Because I don't want to see you get hurt. You look like such a nice lady, but at the end of the day, yo, him go just break your heart.
Are you sure about that?
I mean, there every day with him. It's the last girl coming here. And me have to clean up the blood. Me I tell her, one girl come in here and stab her up.
What do you mean?
What you mean?
Like, seriously, like, what do you mean?
Listen,
what do you mean by
as
that?
I said before, and I don't want to even say too much, you know, because you look like a real nice woman, you know. I don't want to see you get hurt.
Oh my God, I can't believe that is what Tyrone is going on up here with.
If you only even knew the half of it.
Oh my God.
But anyways.
So what if I'm here inside of this house now and somebody go show up?
Shorty, don't worry yourself. I'm here to protect you, you know. Even if him not do him job, you know, I'll do it better than him, you know. Cause shorty, him don't know if you treat woman, you know. Yeah? But don't worry yourself. I'm here for you anytime you're ready, alright?
Right now, I'm really feeling scared right now.
Shorty, I'm here to protect you, you know.
But
what?
why are you touching my body all over?
Touch your butt. Me just show you yourself. I'm there for you anytime you're ready. Alright?
But your brother already there for me.
Alright? You will see in due time, but don't worry yourself. I'm here for you when you're ready. Shorty. I wonder if you know about him girlfriend with name Lisa.
Girl, what?
See, there you don't even know about him girlfriend, not true?
Girl, what?
Girlfriend. You think
So,
that you are the
wait,
one?
no, stop. This is too much information right now. So what are you trying to say?
Lower your voice a little, because we don't want him hearing enough. Shorty. I wonder if you know say my talks. Them man they don't know about gentleness enough. I be abuse them man they deal with him.
No wonder he only call me phone sometime and say if you can link him up here. Me nah go bother with the relationship no more, you know. Because here you go tell me saying girlfriend Lisa.
Yeah.
Eh?
But not tell him say me tell her still no, but me just look out for you, you know. You understand? Because you seem like a really nice woman, you know. No worry yourself, me I will give you my number. And you can call me at any time.
I can't believe this is what Tyrone is going on with.
That's why you have to think wise nowadays, you know. Looks can be very deceiving.
It is really deceiving because me no wonder some fishy.
Yeah.
Because he only call me sometime and say, babe, come and link me. Right, I am going
don't worry yourself.
I'm going to set him up, you know.
No. But listen.
I'm going to set him up.
Listen.
I'm going to show him who enough to play with and who if to play with. Because I'm not a nice girl either.
Yeah. But you, I'm going to leave my number with you. So just in case you need anything. Because you seem like a very nice girl now. You need a real man in your life. You don't need him enough.
I thought he was a really good man.
Well, as I say, God, you make a mistake. But don't worry yourself. I'm here to guide you.
I hope you don't come with the same drama where you come with me then.
No, look for me. I wouldn't even tell you this if I never care about you, you know.
Make sure so you not only tell me things just because you want me.
No, nothing like that. It's just because I see you look like a real nice girl. Now you don't look like the other ones them when bring, you know. I don't want you get hurt, you know.
No wonder when me come here, you never want to introduce me to you. Because you're so handsome in so many ways.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
So anyways, you can give me a number.
Alright, so my number is let me just put it in your phone and save it for you.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so my name is Drake, okay?
Okay, Drake.
Alright. Nice to meet you again. And remember, stay away from trouble, alright?
Okay, also thank you for that information.
No problem. Alright?
Okay, Drake.
Alright.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
The number you dialed is temporarily out of service. If you feel that you have reached this recording in error, please try your call again. Thank you. From
look, bro, I want thing good. You know, look good at that. Bro, G, anything I want to talk about me there anytime when you're ready, you know. You have to buckle in your problem, you know. You help you are listening here, you know.
You sleep on the right side of the bed last night, man.
Of course, but you look stressed out, bro. You know, see how you look. You're looking at the mirror since morning.
I don't know. You say you get to me can't come last night.
Yeah.
And I in her room and she asked me if she got a bathroom.
Yeah.
By the time she got a bathroom and come back, brother. By the time she got a bathroom and come back.
Yeah.
In her room. I can't touch her.
Mm-hmm.
What me forget last night, I never get.
That woman wicked. Look how long you wait for her, man.
Is the same thing? I wonder where she did out so long, brother.
You know, send me the year which I probably should have left on her phone. Cause me did there. I wonder what she do so long. To add in the bathroom.
Shake up, dog. Shake up.
Just hold the faith, my little brother. Just hold the faith. So I can look on myself.
Yo, me too.
So, anytime I try to help you, I say you always go on.
No, and that thing, no, brother. That. From my born and grew up, you know, so you never sure. You know, say guilty there in your face. Guilty in your face.
What you say?
You have something to do with it?
Me? What more than I have to do with that? You see me there, so I laugh.
Me respect your reasoning, but don't, when you reason, you don't touch me, because I feel like so you switch side, you know. Don't touch me.
That's enough problem, not true.
Enough problem, that's the truth, don't touch me. Listen, me your brother, me your blood, you know.
Yo, don't have for them touching me. You don't have to talk about touch.
Alright, don't put your hand on me then.
Anyways, what have gone different? No half of that.
Yeah?
No half of that. What have gone differently though?
No, me your brother would want too much in my life. I can't tell you no.
You didn't know say I'm here, oh man. You can't talk about me day in your life. Yo bro, just let go off of them things, you know. Me just, you know, we are bros and me check for you. I just want to know see a alright time thing good and thing, you know?
I know still, but yo, she come out there and say it to be long. You see me, but yeah. You have nothing to do with it?
No bro. Bro, just slow off of that, man. Yeah, as one fly, one pitch, you know, don't look like
me not stress over that, brother, but when me did forget last night, me didn't get that, me stress over now, you see me?
But, anyways, bro, you know, I don't get thing, but they feel.
You sure now I'm not to do with it?
No, bro, come on, man. No, I'm telling you, man. But I never do that to you.
That's alright, so you say, you think?
Come on, man. Anyways, so, I deal with later. Now cook no food.
No, come look like your woman.
You full of chat though. And me cook yesterday and I saw here time to cook now, you know.
You can cook again. By the way, look here.
Yeah.
Look here. Come here. You see you cook a pot yesterday?
Yeah.
Do. You don't do it again.
So why you not cook then?
Eh?
Why you not cook?
I wasn't really busy.
Yeah, I'm busy. Anyways, me I cook some food. I mean, I make me myself dead for you because I love them.
Just cook one small pot, because I don't have none in it.
So, that tell me how much more I cook. Whether it's small or large. Feel me that. Feel me that, man. Just watch and see. Just watch and see, man.
I'm still sleepy, man. Ty.
Yes, baby.
You think you're that sleep?
Can't sleep without you.
For real?
Yeah, I miss you.
Aww.
Just want to in my arms and touch you all.
Good in morning, good in day, good in evening, good in whatever time you guys tune in. If you never know, now you know. I'm your boy, Skinny, Fitrocho. So Trocho, when my fans them there, big up on yourself. I want to shout out some real and genuine fans. You know, so please leave your name, your shout out name, or who you want me shout out to in the comment section. So the next time I post some video, me I go do some shout out. Once me see it, me go and do some shout out, guys. But you know me have to always do this to show appreciation to those that have been watching over the years. I appreciate it a lot. And like I said before, it's sentimental to me. You know, it's sentimental to the people that will take their time out to be a part of all these projects. I'm not gonna say this project, this movie, because they've been there doing it, you know, before this movie, and they're gonna keep continuously doing it because they love what they do and they do what they love. And we all born with gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. And we want to share whatever gift and talent we have, and this is the time that we spend to share with you guys. And we really appreciate you guys taking the time out, you know, your valuable time, if there's such a word. But anyway, y'all know Skinny, so Vichocho. I'm brawling. Vichocho. Your boy Skinny. Vichocho. So anyway, guys, so I want to just tell you thanks sincerely from my heart, you know, sincerely from life, you know, because you know I'm the guy that always give thanks to life. Watch ya, me know say I'm a breadfruit tree that I thinking to. Backside, guys, I just find a thinking toe tree. If y'all know what's thinking toe, Tyrone, show them what's thinking toe. If that's thinking toe, yeah, that's thinking toe. I say it name. So if y'all know the other name, wait, let me see if we can show them. Like, look, there it is. It's thinking toe, right? It's it? I think so. But if any of you guys notice or recognize this tree, that's the thinking toe. I used to eat it when I was a child, but I don't remember what the tree looked like, guys, because I haven't seen it for years. But it kind of looks soft now. But I think when it's dry, when it's dry and hard, it's tough, like really tough. Like, so you have to use like a hammer or a stone, like a piece of rock to break it open, and then it have this powder thing on the seed, and then you can eat it. And then if you eat too much, it will be like choke you, you know. So sorry for the intermission of talking about that when we should talk about the movie. And you know, I appreciate you guys, and continue to support us, and we're gonna do bigger and better. We're going for Netflix, and we need you guys' help, and we're doing it together. As a Jamaican, we are Jamaican. Let's do it together. Let's do it as one nation, one love, one heart. You know, in Jamaica, our motto is out of many one people. So let's do this, out of many one talents. Let's put it together and bring it to Netflix. So I want to give shout out to Tay. Shanti say, forgive a shout out to Tay. Right? Tay. That's you, Tay. And who again? Navi, big up yourself, Navi and Tay. Fichocho. Your boy Skinny said, big up Tay, big up Navi. Fichocho. And big up all of my fans them. Like I said, leave a comment, let me can see you and give you a shout out. Even when I do an interview, I still want to be able to give you guys a shout out. You know, let you know that you are special to me. Fichocho, your boy Skinny, you know. So big up to all the people over years that have been supporting me, you know. All of the people we donate. There are some people send them whole heap of money come give me from find me. I appreciate it, I swear. You know, even in my times with my mother and stuff, you know. You see some real, genuine strangers come aboard and say, yo, you know, them do this to me, you know. So, I will continue to make it good. And today, I come strong. This time around, I'm strong again. I'm back. And I'm stronger. I'm better. And I'm ready. Netflix. For true, I'm coming. HBO, CNN, worldwide. The world, I'm coming. For true, your boy Skinny. For true. For true. And action.
The number you dialed is temporarily out of service. If you feel that you have reached this recording in error, please try your call again. Thank you. From
look, bro, I want him good. No, look at that.
Okay. Action.
Two. Me and you know if you drink no rum, boy. Especially in me house.
Yeah, you go on too much more while, you know. Alright, still.
I rum me you want ton.
That is how you.
One at a time, don't push on the brain. So, we see him again. We see him again. Tell him the name.
Well, I don't need to tell him my name. How him?
Okay, well, sorry to break your heart.
Auntie and everybody know me, you know, auntie. My thing well governed, you know, auntie. I talk about man brawling, no man. Auntie, I did, man.
Sir, Mr. Brawling.
I just left out of this place here, man.
So you don't want to know who is he again? This is Shanti husband to be.
I'm not going to just accompany the store. They sell the wedding dress. Yeah, I'm finding perfect with it.
Good news. So you have it with you now?
Yes.
Perfect.
You get an invitation?
Bad man, hey boy, take your hand off and mash up your phone with my phone. Hey boy, mash up your face with my phone.
I don't want to be the witness in your
I'm telling you, man.
And then, oh, I'm sorry. I was in the invitation.
Bad man, hey, it's me, I'm going to marry.
Me can't perfect you.
Auntie, no, how this a man?
You never heard? I'm Shanti's husband to be.
Auntie, me mash up him face in and me bloody up your place, auntie. Shanti, me a wait pan in man. You all kind of stylist, man. Auntie, you may say no style and no craft for true, man. Brawling for true, I did, auntie, man.
Then how Shanti you go work it out? Husband to be.
I kind of pick me a style thing I go. Yo, auntie, I kind of style. Yo, watch it, yo. Kind of stylist, man.
You know, that boy tell me same do it from people. I'm like, I'm a chicken in a one for me, one for Shanti. Oh, chicken in what's up, you know?
You got you need to go along this with Oh God.
Come in tough, you know, want no food. You know, want this, you know, want that. Any for the good thing make over me and family take it. Just imagine.
Hungry belly.
Same of Shanti.
Wanga got this thing. Wanga got. So how are you?
Same name Skinny. Skinny Brawling.
What? Jesus!
You should have prayed for you. Pray for the boy.
Well, the glass of fag up. Skinny Brawling. Oh God.
Me no mean say I name you know. But everything went up. Brawling.
This is the pinky. You pray this morning? Oh God. Last night?
Never remember to pray.
Huh?
Never remember to pray.
Stop pinky if you pray, stop pinky. Pray. To your bad knee.
And you just start it up, you know.
Huh?
You just start it up, you know.
The horse, primary fix that.
God. How is keep up there? No worries about that, I'm not even know about the ending. Excuse me, miss, you don't know what tall guy when you're skinny. We live around Panelin on this, so. Hi, mother.
Get this to give to you.
How did you get my phone?
And your so-called lover came here today.
Skinny was here?
Yes. And he said to tell you that he's no longer interested in you.
What do you mean?
You must move on.
What do you mean? Why would Skinny say something like that? And I've been looking for him all day.
Tyrone shows up today with a ring and gown and everything, so I guess.
You want Tyrone again, mother?
It's not me. It's not me. You want your skin?
Man, I pray if you tell her some things in the dark. Good man.
Help yourself out. What do you do?
Yeah, me alright for sure, man. Everything good, man.
What do you mean you're alright? You don't even look happy to see me.
Why me should have happy? When you never tell me say you got married.
Married to who?
Oh, you mean to who? You never tell me say you got married. That's why gangster not deal with some Christian girl and them father. Cause right now, man, corrupt for church, you know. That me I tell you, brawling, you know.
I'm not getting married to anybody. What are you talking about?